Alright, in this video we're going to start working with broadcasting. So real quick, let's go to a Laravel website. Here I'm in the Laravel website. Right here we can just click on the search, so we can search for broadcasting. Let's go there. Right here we can just go to the server-side installation here. Now in here we're going to use this composer command, so we're going to copy this command. And then let's go back to our code. In here I closed all the files. We can open the terminal. Alright, let's paste this command there and install our pusher server. Alright, after that is done, we can go back to our website. Now in here it says you have to configure pusher with the credentials in the broadcasting, but we're gonna do this in the env file. And as you can see right now, we don't have this yet. So for now, let's skip this part. Let's go down here. Here we have to go to the env and change the broadcasting driver to pusher. Okay, so now let's go back and open the env file. Right here where it says broadcast driver, we have to change this to pusher. Alrighty, now we can go back. The next step, we have to scroll down and then go to the client side installation and pusher channels. Now we have to install Laravel Echo. Now this is just going to help us subscribe and listen to the broadcasted events from our users, application. Now you have to use this command, npm install Laravel Echo with pusher.js. Now let's go back. For now we can close the env. Down here, paste the command, click enter. Alright, now this has installed pusher and Laravel Echo. So after Laravel Echo is installed, we have to now configure it in the bootstrap.js. So here, type bootstrap.js in the resources. In here, you can see Laravel already comes with this line of code already added in our file. So we can just uncomment this from here until there. That's uncomment. To uncomment, you can click Command KU or Control KU on Windows, I think. Okay, so right now we have to go to a configuration file. So here, just type app, this one, app.php in the config folder. And let's scroll down. You see this line which is commented out, the broadcasting service provider. We can just uncomment this like that. And then now, so at this point, all the installation of pusher should be okay. Now we have to actually open a pusher account and get our credentials that we're going to put in our env. So let's go back to the browser. In here, let's go to the pusher website. Right, in here we have to create an account. You can just click sign up if you don't already have an account. If you do, just click sign in. And so in here we can go to manage. Alright, let's go to the channels. In here we can create an app, a new app. We can call this one Livewire real-time chat application. In here you can select the cluster. You can choose which location you are based in, which is closer to you rather. So I'll choose the EU and then create apps for multiple environments. But since we're only going to do development for now, we're not going to create this. Here you can choose backend for Laravel, but it doesn't really matter, like that. And then create app. Right now we have these files, but as you can see we've already installed this, and now we have to copy these app keys. But this is not the only way of finding the app keys. Let me show you another way of getting them. In here you can, on the left side, you can click on the app keys. And now we need these app keys because we're going to use them to connect our application with pusher. So let's go back to our code. In here, let's open the env again. In the env, scroll down, go to where there's pusher ID here, pusher app key, here pusher secret and the ID. So now let's go. Let's copy the app ID, paste it in the app ID here. Now we need the key, paste the key in here. Let's get the secret, and let's paste it there. Then we need the cluster too, it's very important. Copy the cluster, put it there. Right, so now these are the keys that you need for connecting your application with it. It can be Laravel, it can be a mobile application, but if you want a new key, you can just click there. This is going to create a new key, and you can delete the other one if you think it's like it has been compromised. But if you want to like change or create new keys for a different application, you can just click here and generate new keys. Right, so now we should go back to our application. Let's close the env. In here we have to restart this npm run dev. So you just click Ctrl C there and then run this command again so it can install Laravel Echo to our front end compiled files. Alright, now we have to test if Pusher is actually installed. How we're going to do that? The easiest way right now is for us to go to the debug console. Well, in here you can see it's going to waiting for new events. So now let's go back to our website. In here we can just refresh this. If everything is installed correctly, we should see an event fired here. Awesome. So you see now, like the connection is origin HTTP, the local host. So if you want to make sure that it's installed correctly, just go ahead and refresh your website and it should fire a new event there. So that's it. We have now successfully installed Pusher in our application, and now in the next video we're now going to start to create some notifications. So see you in the next video.